We're checking out Balby Soup in Kingston, Jamaica. From taxi driver to soup chef, from Monday to Saturday, you can find Balby Soups serving up his piping hot soup from his car trunk in Kingston, Jamaica. I'm in Halfway Tree looking for someone to try his soup. Every day of the week, he serves a different variety, from pig style, chicken foot, to classic Jamaican pumpkin soup. Check out his Instagram page for the soup available each day. He opens midday until the soup is done. If you like what we are doing, then please click on the bell below for the notifications and subscribe to our channel for weekly shows. Come early so you don't miss out as the lunch crowd starts to gather as he backs his vehicle into the parking spot in Central Plaza, Halfway Tree, Kingston, Jamaica.
Central Plaza, Halfway Tree, Kingston.
His motto, one soup, any other soup a cup soup, sets him apart from other street soup as his is substantial enough to be a full meal.
It's good. Flavor is good. It's hint of spice is good. His soup is always great.
Balby is also available for special events. Today, he's serving up crayfish soup. In the evenings, you can see Balby around Kingston enjoying himself and networking to make new customers. Come visit Balby or book him for your next event in Jamaica. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any episodes. If you would like to support our channel, please see the link in the banner.
I mean, one Balby man, one in the island, you know. Balby line up a small one, people.
It's CRAYFISH. Tomorrow.
I say, any other soup or any other soup or cup soup? One Balby soup, any other soup or cup soup, you hear that? Right from Central Plaza, you know the thing, you see me? Jesus Christ, take me away. Any other soup or cup soup, you hear that? One Balby, see in the Central Plaza. Respect, you hear that? Don't know anything, Jamaica with it was nice. Here, right from the Central Plaza, see Balby under the soup. Any other soup or cup soup, you hear that? So what?
He is too busy to interview during lunchtime, so we are visiting him in his workspace to find out more behind the scenes on the man who makes so many delicious pots of soup.
I am Balby Soups, you know. I'm the guy in Jamaica that does, I think I do one of the best set of soups in the country. People like my soup. A lot of people gravitate towards my soup because I think it have a different vibe, it have a different taste, it have a wow effect. You know, like that wow effect when you take that first sample, it just gives you that wow, like gives you a rush, goes straight to your brain, you know. So, you know, I just have to keep on doing the good work and, you know, a lot of things. And I mean, things, it never start out like blooming like how everybody say the thing that's blooming and everybody smiles and everything, you know. Every business, I think of its ups and downs, you know. Go through a lot, but you know, I stayed strong, I stayed positive, I stayed motivated and keep pushing, you know, because they always say, if you want good, you nose a front. That's a Jamaican saying, you know. Trust me, it works. Just sometimes you have to just, you know, lock with yourself in a little quiet space and think about what you really want, you know. Because I used to do taxi, I used to drive the taxi. And taxi work came with a lot of frustration, you know, and most times, you know, the evening when I reach home, like I said to myself, you know, like, you know, you really want to do this? I don't think this is for me. Until one day, a police pulled me over and, you know, gave me about 4 or 5 tickets. And right then and there, while the police was writing those tickets, I was like, you know, this is my last day. And then my mom is a lady, she cooks. She always have a restaurant here and there. So, you know, tell my mother, say, alright, you know, I want the soup. you know, and then my mother teach me the local basics and teach me how to get started and teach me all she can teach me. Me just add my little magic to it. So over the years, gradually, we get better at it, I think. Because anything you do in life, you want to get better at it. You don't want to get worse, you know. So, I start do the soup thing. You know, when I just start out to sell soup, I have the soup all whole day. Sometimes the soup don't even sell off. I have to dash it away. And, you know, gradually, I start promote my thing and start get the word out there. And, you know, more and more, the business start grow. Until, this is me today, Balby Soup. So, persistence in life is key. Don't be that person that is easily a person that's easy to give up on your dreams, you know. You have to stay positive and walk the road. Trust me, nothing in life comes easy. You're gonna have ups and you're gonna have downs. Even the Lord Jesus Christ did have ups and downs. So who is we not to have ups and downs, you know? So you have the good days and the bad days, but the bad days you just need the strength to push on. So me just want to tell everybody out there, this is Balby Soups. I make some of the best soups dishes in Jamaica. I do events. You can just give me a call. I have my Instagram page. You can look me up. You know, it's whatever, you know, ready for business.
We would love to hear from you and have put our contact information below. We hope you enjoyed our journey to visit Balby Soup in Kingston, Jamaica, and look forward to you joining us on our next journey.